yogurt cup. Try to make your line smooth and even. Great! Imagine what this would look like in real life. Let's color in. Add some details to make it interesting.